is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here at Canandaigua Lake. We are installing fantasy brown marble, leathered finish, and some beautiful quartz countertop. We have Calcutta Gold here today. This is an extremely hard fit that we're dealing with. We have a finished panel here on the right end, we have a finished panel on the left end, and we're also against two walls. So a case like this, we were able to get this in. We need approximately 1/8 of an inch to get the glue in our seam, and that's exactly what we have. So this is an absolute perfect template and fabrication job with absolutely no error.
Now for the main event, the full slab island.
Right now what I'm doing is I'm polishing the edge of the seams where they met together to get that perfect feel across there, you know what I'm saying? Countertop, man,
I'm Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
I'm Jim, and Old World Builders.
Oh, would you like to go ahead and take a look at our project?
I would love to.
Our project today, we're here with Jim from Old World Builders. We're installing this Calcutta Gold countertop. It was an extremely large island and a big L we have here. You'll be able to see the grain matching that Matthew did on this. We're in the fabrication shop. Jim here is one of the premier builders in Western New York. He just does a phenomenal job on these high-end homes. A lot of them are around Canandaigua Lake, where we're at here today. What do you think of this project, Jim?
It's starting to come together, and this is one thing that is really important in this size home, quality home, is the kitchen.
On our side of this, it makes a huge difference for our products going into a home that's well built and well thought out also. This is just a beautiful space. The craftsmanship on everything meets the same high standards that we have with our products. Jim, I would really like to thank you for using us and hope to do many more projects together.
You bet.
Countertop.